AmBC is a solution for digital literacy. The solution is comprised of 3 different tools, 2 mobile applications, and a web platform. The first mobile application, AmBC Student, is composed of 3 parts. The first part, shown on screen, is the pre-literacy category. The second part is the literacy in itself. So we will begin with the pre-literacy. The pre-literacy is a collection of training that is done in person in a classroom format. All of the training tools are then transcribed to a video that can be used for reviewing and studying by the students even after the class. The objective for the students is to teach them the use of a pen, the use of a notebook, and the use of a smartphone. But we will also teach them to recognize the 4 basic objects, which are the lemon, the mortar, the calabash, and the cornstalk. These objects can be used to form any letter. The second part of the application is the literacy part, which is learning how to read, write, and count. There are 20 lessons corresponding with the 20 different sound vowels. Each lesson has 3 parts underneath it. We can see an example of the sound and the letter that is corresponding to the sound on screen. The second part are words and recognizing which words contain the same sound. Now, we will look at the third part of the lesson, which are sentences, and which sentence correspond with which sound. The other important concept of literacy is that we are learning to not only write, but to also calculate. The writing style on the app is a bit more advanced, as it is done in calligraphy. The student has to learn to write the words on the board within the app. The app will accept the letters that are well written, and if not, it is automatically rejected until the student learns how to write well. We will now look at the example of calculating, which is also composed of 20 lessons. The example is shown on screen as how the calculation is taught to the student. Now, we can take a look at the second application, which is called AmBC Teacher. This is used by the instructor on his or her smartphone. This application allows the instructor to plan his lessons, see the list of students, and confirm attendees. It also helps the instructor to track each attendance of the classes and to evaluate the students' progress. The third app is called AmBC View 360. This is a web platform, which is the results app showing all of the analytics and data collected from the 2 previous apps. The attendance analytics, the evaluation, and all other data are transmitted to AmBC View 360. This app really is a supervision tool that allows the administration, Ministry of Education, or project manager of the literacy project to stay in their office and follow the real-time statistics of the project.